Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here, okay? It is free $99. It costs you nothing to join, okay? Y'all, if y'all could hear that noise in the background, I apologize in advance. Somebody looks like they're paying to get their driveway power washed, which I wish was me right now. But the sunlight is sunning, and I would like to take advantage of that. So I'm going to try to speak up so that I hopefully can shout out some of that noise. Let's get right into it. So if you can hear it, you don't have to deal with it for a very long time. We're going to be tracking our expenses in our variable cash envelopes today. Side note. Anybody have this calculator? I've had this for so long. I think I know where the back is, but I lost the battery. If you know what size battery this uses, could you please let me know down in the comments, because I don't want to buy another calculator. I actually really like my calculator. I just need to buy a replacement battery. Please leave a comment if you know the battery size so I can place an order on Amazon. Thank you so much for your time. Let's go. I won a gift card today at work by finding Lenny the leprechaun. So excited about that. That was at the end of the pot of gold. All right, let's stop talking. Groceries. Baby, there ain't no money in groceries. Baby, there ain't no money in groceries. There's money in there, but it ain't much. It's currently I don't know, because my Fitbit broke and is no longer working. I believe it is the 12th today. Don't quote me. I'll be able to tell you when I tell you the gas receipt, because the gas receipt has the right date on it. All right, so we started with $210 in our groceries envelope, and we've got lots of receipts. Let me go ahead and scan them. Not scan them, child. I've already scanned them. That's why I blacked out the dates. Let's record them. So we have Target on, child, what day was this? 3/10. Let's bring it in a little bit. Bring it in. On 3/10, we have a Target. I bought some like potatoes and things like that, and that was $12.50. So we're just gonna call that $12 because it says I gave $12.50. So we have 210 minus, y'all can't see it, minus $12 equals $198 left there. So that's that, and I can throw away this receipt because I already scanned them into Fetch and Merrifield. Make sure y'all scan them receipts, y'all. It's free. Then we got Pop Shelf. I bought a whole bunch of like spices, salt, ground pepper, onion, all that stuff. And that was, was that off? I'm writing the wrong thing. I wrote this receipt. So this receipt is Pop Shelf. So what I'm going to do real quick is cross this out. This was actually Pop Shelf. I'm like, and Target and Pop Shelf was the same day. So 310 Target. Pop Shelf we did. Get it together. Target was $47. That's what I paid out. So 198 minus 47 is 151. Move the Target over there. And then we had Walmart on 3/7. We spent $20.47. So we'll just call it $20. We don't do the change. And that is on 3/7. These are all grocery stuff. Walmart. So 151 minus 20 equals 131. Girl, y'all know how many days we still have left? Then to Walmart again on 3/9. And again, more groceries, $36.70, $37. Would it be 37 or 38? 36, yeah, 37, because it was 36 something, so 37. What just happened? Oh, somebody's outside with their foolishness. And that is going to be on 3/9. And that's again to Walmart. Minus 30, back it up, minus 37 equals 94. Girl, we already in the single digits. Lord help us. Okay, and then last but not least, we got Publix. whatever you want to call it. And that was, oh, what day was it? Can I tell you? Do I know? I have no idea what day it was. Yes, I do. It was 3/3. On 3/3, we spent $53 or $52.68. I wouldn't have had 68 cents, so that's why I'm just rounding up to 53. And that was 3/3. And that was Publix. And Lord, there's gonna be $40-something left. So 94 minus 53, we should have $41 left. You guys, it's like the 12th of March and we only have $41 left. This is a real problem. But let's make sure we actually have $41 left. We have 20, 41. Yep. So, with that being said, you guys, look out for a pantry challenge because, now the way, I know that my girl, Celissa from Beautifully Me and You, or You and Me, I'm always messing it up. She did a pantry challenge. I think her video comes out on Thursday of this week, where she's doing a week of like no spend and eating out her pantry. The way I'm going to do mine is going to be a little different. It's going to be a pantry challenge I think I'm going to use $20 for the week for essential groceries and working around what is in my pantry and then meal prepping for the week food. I hope that makes sense. If you want to join me on this pantry challenge because your grocery budget is looking like my grocery budget at the beginning of the month, leave a comment down below. We can do this pantry challenge together. I'd love to see your video if you choose to do it, or just check in with me if you choose to do it. All right, gasolina. I just got some today, so I know. So today is the 12th. It is the 12th. So 3/12, there's only one receipt in there. I haven't scanned it yet, so that's why it's not blacked out yet. But on 3/12, I got some gas. I started with $120, and I spent $23 on gas. I gave them $30 initially, but I only needed $23. And they gave me back the change, and I did not buy any chips or foolishness. I just left. So if we started at $120 and I used $23, we should have $97 left for the rest of the month, which is great for gas. I gotta keep this on the other side because we need to scan that still. All right, get this money together. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, exactly what I said. We have $97 left in gas. Gas is usually pretty good for the month. Let's pray it continues to be that way. And self-care, I don't know if I spent anything in self-care. I don't see any receipts. We started with 80 in self-care. And so now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, which is good, but I'm definitely getting a pedicure, so this will be spent. I just need to make time to go. Should have went today. It's such a beautiful day. But, you know, days like this be the day everybody want to be in there. Eating out. I have definitely eaten out, so there are receipts here. Put the money aside and let us track. We started with $80 in eating out. We have two receipts. We have one that is groceries, some kind of groceries for $8. Looks like snacks to me, to be honest. Look like snacks to me. But it said that was on 3/6. I'm gonna put snacks because that's what it looks like for $8. Like, I don't know what I would have spent $8 on. But we started with 80. Minus 8, 72 is $72. And then we're flipping it, rubbing. I've already scanned that. Then we also have, I went to JJ Fish and Chicken, which was $12.94, so $13. And that was on 3, I don't know. It was on 3/9. So 3/9 JJ. As y'all know, I'm eating chicken again. But JJ Fish was $13. And if we had 72, we subtract 13, we have $59 left. Okay. Already scanned that receipt. Let's make sure we have 59 left. 20, 30, 40, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49. Why 49? Why not 59? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? Hold on. 80 minus 8 minus 13, 59. 20, 30, 40, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now, what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 7, 48, 49. I don't know why I'm... Oh, child, because $10... No, I don't know why I'm off by $10, y'all. I don't know. We're off by $10. So we're going to keep going, but I have no idea why we're missing 10 bucks. And then we have date night, which is the same as always. We've got the $20 from our challenge. I haven't went and bought flowers, haven't done anything. So that's the same. And then we have fun. And that is got 20, 30, 40, girl. Clearly we didn't have no fun yet. That still has the same amount of money. And then giving doesn't have a receipt, but I thought I bought Girl Scout cookies. I did. So Girl Scout cookies, $6. So we had $20. Should be $20 minus $6, $14. I did buy some Girl Scout cookies that got me outside the Walmart. So $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. I'm really agitated that I can't figure out where these $10 went. Okay. Where'd my $10 go? Credit card. There's no money in there. But I do show that I did go to CVS and drop off the $40 that was supposed to go towards the credit card. So we can take that out. $40 deposited. And then I did put some money from Home Goods when I purchased a lamp. But I used a lot of gift cards. And I only spent $12.25 on 2 beautiful lamps, which I really, really love. So I'll put this on the credit card listing to needs to pay on 3/10. I went to Home Goods and I spent $12.25. So we owe $12.25 on this particular purchase that I have on the credit card. Miscellaneous has nothing, and that used to be where Home Goods was, but nothing. I am really a little bummed about that $10 that I don't know where it came from in eating out. But I guess it be like that sometimes. I don't like that though. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, I went through all the envelopes again. I have no idea. I have no idea where that $10 went or what I used it on. There's no receipt there. I'm not gonna kill myself up about it. It is what it is. I'm gonna have to put $10 miscellaneous on there. Actually, let me do that now just so I know. It's just weird how
it's exactly $10 and I can't remember where or what I spent it on. But we're gonna say miscellaneous question mark. We spent $10 and that would bring us to $49, which is in the envelope. Maybe I'll remember like I did with the Zumba last
time, but I really don't remember right now. And there's no receipt, which is really more irritating. Anyway, guys, so this doesn't get too long. I am going to take my time and write in the numbers in here myself and just come back and show you guys that I wrote them in. All right, guys, so I even went as far as to look at my no spends in my calendar for the month of March, and I don't see anything that wasn't written down, y'all, for spending during that time. So I don't know what's going on with that $10. I'm just gonna have to let it go. However, I did go ahead and write in all the things, even that miscellaneous missing $10 here, and then the one Home Goods that I knew about. And there's a few other things that came out of here, like the metal bed frame and all that, but we'll do that when we reconcile the credit card. So that is that. Shout out again to my job for this gift card for walking around. I found him in the printer, the little Lenny the leprechaun. And then also shout out to Caprita from Budget Smart 55. I won a gift card. She has made it to 200 subscribers. Make sure y'all go check her out. And then I also wanted to give a quick shout out to the Pink Cloth Life. I know most of y'all probably know who she is already. She's got this cute bingo thing with 3 different options for cards. And y'all know I'm not big on the little challenges, but I thought this was so cute. Right now, her money amounts are a little too high for me, so I might go back and watch her last 2 videos so I can get numbers. I'm going to pick a sheet, and then I'm going to probably divide her numbers by 2 or 3 just to kind of play because I thought it was fun. I want to see if I can get bingo, but I'm not 100% sure on that yet. But those are my shout outs for this video. Just felt like doing it. Y'all know I don't do it all the time, but those 2 people were on top of my mind at this time. But that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. In order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, there's faith over fear this year. But what? Not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazzy. Love you, mean it. Bye.